Let's go. It's a new day, new week, new opportunities. As you guys can see with the title, today I'm going to be going through the setups that I took throughout the week. And yeah, man, it was a W week. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys. So I first started off my 1 hour time frame. I think this was on a Tuesday. Tuesday. And yeah, I first saw this. Beautiful trend line here. Opened the market. Oh, I was currently in a buy, so I thought of just adding on to one more position and sending it to my WhatsApp group. So yeah, so as you guys can see over there, this is the current position that I was in right now. Then I also was in a buy by this time. I think by the time I wanted to update the charts, so this is what I saw at first to make me go into for the buy. So my stop loss was pretty much around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. And yeah, my entry was somewhere around the if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I took this buy also. Now I just added more positions and whatnot. So the first buy that you see over there was for Monday. Then this is currently Tuesday, as you can see. So I was still in the market. Went bit of drawdown. This is how it looked on MetaTrader. As you guys can see, I had like about 4 positions if I'm not mistaken. Then yeah, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's the same setup on the one trading view had entered earlier on. And yeah, there was my TP. That was my TP hit. I think it was about, yeah, $6 TP or so for one of the positions, right? For one of the positions. The other positions I didn't put TP. I don't know why, but yeah, as you can see, those are the 4 positions on. I had a choice to close here,
So yeah, this is a $50 account.
nah, I was like, why not let it be?
Main goal is to
let
raise
it hit TP first,
by the
right?
end of the week. Let's
Stick
see
to
how
the
much
plan.
we can raise
As you
it
see, we
but
came back and
mainly
TP was
our
hit.
target
TP was
is
hit.
$1,000.
Therefore,
Let's see if we can reach
yeah,
there
left
without
other
blowing
2
it.
positions
But yeah,
running. As you can see over here,
as we can see,
we had
this
some
way we
positions
stand
running,
in
and
your
yeah,
currently
TP
standing over
one
here.
eventually hit break even, and the other one hit TP, if I'm not mistaken. That's why you see that amount over there. So yeah, these are the 2 trades. As you can see, we still in blues.
So I decided to hold it overnight, and yeah, when I came back, this is how it was looking. So I decided to just close profits, just get whatever we can, right? So you see now 70. Then back to trading view. It's a new day. So let's see what the day has for us today. So yeah, as you can see, as I opened up, these were the current 2 positions that I was holding, 2 trades that I was holding right in the previous days. So yeah, I opened up, I saw a nice trend line. It was forming a nice trend line. Then I was like, why not try go for another buy today? Why not try go for another buy? As you can see there, so yeah, this is where we standing. Let's see what today's setup can give us. So I see a nice imbalance there. I saw a nice imbalance right over here. So I was like, yeah, this can be our POI for the day, and plus it's on the trend line. So I was like, why not? So this is a nice it looks pretty decent for a POI. So I zoomed into a lower time frame and just to check out how the price is looking right there on the lower time frame. And yeah, this is pretty much a good level to come and retest. Probably is gonna bring the market back down to that level right over there. So yeah, and like, yeah, why not just wait for the market to come back to that zone, as you can see here. And yeah, let's see if we can get a push up. And yeah, back on our MetaTrader, as you can see, same setup on the MetaTrader, and it did come back to that level. It didn't come back exactly to the fair value gap, but it did come back to a current level over there. Yeah, and it seems like it's kind of rejecting to the current level over there. So yeah, let's see what we can get. So currently I'm just waiting for it to give me clear cut confirmation. For here, I was waiting for it to give me clear confirmation whether it's a rejection or it's just gonna consolidate and come back and push maybe to that zone and give us a rejection off of that fair value gap over there. But if it does currently give us confirmation on the current zone, so yeah, it ended up rejecting, so I entered an early position, couldn't record it, but yeah, decided to add more positions. to the ones that I entered earlier on, but it currently rejected off of that line there. So this is just me entering a bit more positions to see where it's going. And yeah, minutes later we did see a push. And we deep in profit, deep in the blues, as you guys can see. I came back to the charts, then I saw that it was currently resisting to that current zone over here, so then I just decided to close all the position to keep my profit safe. Now we're chilling on $100+. Let's see what the next day has for us. So yeah, on to the next day. Just opened up my trading view, then I saw the charts just to check what the charts were doing. Then I therefore realized that the price was currently retracing back into this resistance zone that was there, the previous resistance zone that was there, right? The 3,405 level right over there. That's like was currently a strong resistance zone. So therefore I expected price to come back down to that zone and give us something from there. So therefore I just took out my rectangle tool, sorry. Then yeah, drew up a nice zone right there. Therefore I'm sure it's pretty simple now. We just wanted to wait for a retracement back into that zone, a tap into that zone, and a rejection into that zone to see a further more push up. I'll come back later and wow, would you look at that? It gave us a solid tap into our zone. Let me just go down to the 15-minute time frame. Let me just go down to a lower time frame. I went down to the higher time frame, I think. Yeah. And would you look at that? That was a beautiful entry. But I think I was kind of late on the entry, right? I was kind of late for the entry. So I did want to wait for the market to retrace back down a little bit more so I can re-enter the markets, as you guys can see over there. So yeah, it did reject off of our current zone that you say, and I'm expecting it to push up even further than this. So either I'm gonna go in for the entry now or wait for a slight retest so I could enter. Then as you can see now, I just decided to go in for the entry. Decided to go in for entry once before it leaves me again. So I entered my positions right here, calculated my stop loss, and yeah, just entered my positions, and hopefully it does push up. Calculated my risk to reward ratio, and yeah. Sometime after, as you can see now, we deep in blues. It market shot up, giving us nice setup. That will be the third setup of the week and a third win of the week. As you can see, we're chilling on close to 50% of our account, close to 50%. And as you can see there, then I therefore just decided to close, not to be greedy, close with about 50% of our account. And yeah, not close to 100%, I mean 100% of our account. So we basically almost doubled our account over there. So yeah, as you guys can see, we're on plus $200 from $50 in just a space of 3 days. And let's see where the next week will take us. Hopefully we will reach the 1,000 mark. And yeah, that's it for episode 1. Let's see where we can take the $200 to in episode 2. And don't forget to subscribe, push your notification bells on if you want to see episode 2 as soon as it drops.